This lighting's not good. Not good at all. Hey, I'm AJ. I'm a sound engineer. I saw something on Instagram I wanted to cover real quickly. We popped it up and take a look.
Dance flow silly, the ladies gon' feel me, the fellas in the back, and they twisting up a filly.
What the hell is that? What is going on with that? With those vocals? What's happening? So those vocals are wide. They're big. They got dimension. I'm gonna cover how to do that. Easiest way, just record a bunch of vocals. Do the same thing again and again and again, like 5 times, and just pan them all different directions in the session. Another way is what I'm going to cover right now. It's called the Haas Delay. Haas Delay is a quick delay audio effect. You can add it right in. The old way is you have 2 tubes. Old delays were used tubes, so you take a tube, send the signal in. Tube takes time. It sends the signal back to a different speaker. That's the delay. But with Haas Delay, you have 2 tubes, different lengths, going in the same box, yada, yada, yada. But you can do that digitally now. Let's go into the session and take a look at what that is. All right, so we got Ableton Live in here. I was about to say LinkedIn. It's not LinkedIn. So we have a track in here right now. I'm going to turn this off because it's the vocals. It's just a random-ass beat. So that is just the beat. We have vocal audio in here. The vocal audio is gonna sound like trash. It's gonna sound like big trash. Such trash, biggest trash you've ever heard. Such trash, oh my god, big trash hole.
Just need money from your pockets. Biggest sack up.
Alright, so that's just a random vocal audio. I recorded that just for funsies, but we're going to talk about what a Haas Delay is. So right here you can see we have delay, we have up stereo, we have some random EQ. This is the Haas Delay. The Haas Delay is right here. So we got audio coming from 2 different directions. Right side, left side. Generally speaking, center is mono, but mono is just a collection of left and right. It's just the same thing. So what we have is a delay going left and right. Far left, far right. I realize now that I'm mirrored, so left, right. So we got our left channel. Now I'm all fucked up. Which way is left? Doesn't matter. So we got a left channel that's being sent at about 10 milliseconds. That can be adjusted anywhere from like 0 milliseconds to 20 milliseconds. Fact is, when it's that fast, you won't hear it. You won't understand what's going on. It's just so fast of a delay that you cannot grasp that there's a delay going on. It sounds like it's a different timbre. Something else is happening. But that's going to one ear. That one. Then you have the other channel, which is going at a different speed. Slower or faster, depending on which way you want to go. It doesn't matter so much because your brain's not going to conceptualize that is going from one ear to the other. You're not going to recognize that. But they're different speeds. So on the right side, I'm sending about 14 milliseconds. There's going to be some phasing things that happen in there, so you have a lot of free range in moving what speed you want the delays to go at, from like 5 milliseconds to 20 milliseconds, so in case you keep going through some things and it creates a weird sound that you just don't like, or maybe you do like it and you're like, that's a cool phasing effect that happens in there. Keep that or get rid of it. It's up to you. Full freedom of motion. All it needs to matter is that they're going at different speeds. That's all that matters, is left, right, different speeds, coming back into the center, sounds wide dimensional. Why is that the case? Your brain doesn't understand that things are at 2 different speeds. It just seems to think things are wide. Especially if it's that fast. It doesn't grasp the fact that one's coming in the ear before the other. It just thinks whatever's happening is real big. We have our delay right here.
Just need money from your pockets.
Great. Now we have the delay.
You'll be to go back in your bed. Not to smile.
Ignore the fact that vocals are incredibly dumb. But that's what it's doing. It's creating this left-wide dimension, and I'm having it 100% on a bus, which means I want to have the original signal going through to the main channel, but also this bus is sending a very, very wide mix. We have something else called up stereo right here. Chomsky, please don't. Please just get on the couch. Please, there's so many cables over here, dude. It's a bad spot for you to lay down. Please don't. Alright, just go right there. Just get on the goddamn couch, dog. I love you. Get on the couch. Please get on the couch. Thank you, sir. Rest you. My dog speaks only Esperanto. He doesn't understand English. That might have been a mistake. Shouldn't have done that. That's the Haas Delay. It's a very simple thing. We have something that's very similar to a Haas Delay called Upstairs by Quick Quack. It's an external audio effect. What you can see now is this big old circle that identifies the width of it. Same thing as a Haas Delay, slightly different algorithm. Doesn't really matter. I'm putting both on there because I want it to be real wide just to showcase what it does. Just the vocals.
Fucking tall.
Yeah, so there's a lot of things going on in there. That is your Haas Delay. It's real wide, it's real thick, it's real big.
Cause you're fucking tall. And you're fucking big. Just need money from your pockets.
All right, so that's real wide. And that's kind of what I want to deal with. Cool, that's the Haas Delay. I want to show you that real fast. Yep, bye.